Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Hassan Khan, and today I'm here to represent my team for this business plan. Firstly, I would like to introduce my team. In my team, we are having Mr. Waqas. Second, we are having Miss Afrin Zahra. Third, Nimra. Number four, Maham Sheikh, and at last, me, Mohammad Hassan Khan. Before starting the presentation, I would like to give a little brief for this presentation, that why we have choose and what product we have choose for this business plan. Firstly, that we are just like to tell you that we are living in Pakistan, as we know that Pakistan is that country which is facing a lot of problem. First, if I talk about the main problem that Pakistani people are facing, is the problem which is they're facing. It's a problem of electricity. As we know that we are living in Pakistan, and Pakistani people are suffering with a very basic need, that is electricity. We know that after independence until 2021, we are living in a very dark period. We know that Pakistan is working on this sector to improve the electricity, but unfortunately they are not getting any kind of successful in this area. And many companies, especially K Electric and Vabda, they are working to improve this problem, but I don't know, because of the political issues, or for a lack of opportunities, or lack of equipment, lack of knowledge, they are not working on this area. The vision and the mission that and the business plan that we get this to represent to our classmates and to our team members, and as well as to our sir Mushtaq, that is we are going to provide. We are mainly working on the solar PV backup plan solution. With the help of this, we know that this technology is slowly and gradually taking its part and flourishing in this country, especially in Pakistan. Now moving toward the little summary, executive summary in the Word file or in the PDF file that me and my team just designed this. I would like to explain this from here. Firstly, if I talk about the executive summary, then in executive summary, what we have written is solar photovoltaic, that is solar panels, is a method what basically they are doing, converting solar energy into direct current electricity. It's a renewable resource that mainly uses for the conversion of electricity, that we are getting this source from the light, from the sunlight, and we are converting this to the electric current, and with the help of plates like that. And I will explain you in the further word. And now moving toward the most significant consideration, that is it's a very important point, that owner and key employees must have technical expertise and experience. Firstly, if any person is installing this in his house, or anyone is using for the commercial purpose, that the owner person must be technical expert, that he must know each and everything about this. If he is interested to put this thing in industrial sector, or in the home, for the home purpose, he must be just expert. He know that each a little history, or little controlling power for this system, and it's a very important point for the owner. Secondly, if I talk about the industrial analysis is very important. Firstly, we have divided this thing into three parts, that is technology. uh, Firstly, we are having the grid tied system. In the solar panel, we are having three types, okay. And second, we are having, that is off grid PV system. I'm just only explaining that, I'm just only taking the name, and each and everything is written in this report. And number third, we are having the hybrid PV system. And hybrid PV system is more beneficial for the household purpose. That's a simple thing that hybrid system is going to use for. If I talk about the target market, it's a very important factor for us, that the target market For the purpose, business consists of three segments that we have divided this into three segments. And the first, the purpose segment are household consumers. Number second is small size business organization, and number third is educational institution located in major cities of the country. These are the thing. And now the business segment and target, that where we have to target this, and the word for the business segment, each and everything is written. Now moving toward the description of the project, it's a little bit description that already I've described you. That is the main point is written over here. That is it is estimated that around 144 million Pakistanis out of 197 million faces electricity load shedding. This is a very important point. That is one out of 144 million and 197 million 144 million people faces electricity load shedding. They can grouped into off-grid unserved, about 69 million rural Pakistani who are not connected to the national grid. This is the main factor that we have to work on this area. That is rural areas, they are facing this problem, because if you talk about the cities, they just connected with the national grid, that they can receive the electricity easily from the substation. But if you talk about remote areas, they are just facing a lot of problem, because at night they don't have any single kind of electricity, so that they can work at night or like this. This is the main problem. And right now the remote areas, they are just um, getting advantage with this solar plates, and like this, so that they can easily get the electricity. If I talk of now moving towards the next part, is we are having it's only panels. And what is panels? Like this technology, it's a polycrystalline or monocrystalline panels. What are they? Each and everything is written. How to choose solar panels, it's a very important thing, because we if any person is just choosing the panels, solar panels, it's a very important key element at which company that they are going to choose, or which product they have to choose. Because in market there are a lot of companies, they are providing the services and the product, and every company just selling different quality products, or different material product. And maybe if they're selling on a good price, or just reduces the price. Because if any company reduces any price, uh, it's only that we can say that their just quality is not too much up to the standard mark, like this. So it's the only thing written over here. Now moving toward the competitor analysis. Competitor analysis is very important for us for this business plan, because we know that in market there are a lot of competitors, and we have make analysis. We made a brief survey for that. From in Pakistan, we get these five competitors. Number first, we are having Renown Energy Limited. That second, we are having Premier Energy Private Limited. Number third, and very much famous, that is Sky Electric Limited. At number four, we are having Pantra Energy Limited. At number five, we are having Pakistan Solar Service. These are the giants. They're working in the Pakistan industry, in Pakistan, different sectors, like in agriculture sector, or in commercial sector, and different sector. If I talk about little about Renown Energy, it's a part of the Dow Hercules Corporation, and they started the working in 2012. It's their history when they started, and who is owning this company. And they are just working in the major cities of the Lahore and Islamabad as well. And area, they are just working in which area? They are working commercial and industrial area. And second, if I talk about the Premier Energy Private Limited, so their Premier Energy is leading solar energy in Pakistan with a vast network.
spread over United. Even they're just working in the United Kingdom, China, Hong Kong, and Pakistan, and many they're just working worldwide. In Pakistan, they started their working in 2013, and I've read one thing for that. They are just if I talk about the customer support and maintenance that they are giving, the Premium Energy offer quick and very helpful customer service. But this is very challenging for us when we just going to start our company. I mean, because it's a business idea, and we have to focus on each and every on our competitors. And number third, we are having Sky Electric, and Sky Electric was founded by the Azhar Aziz, former board, and he's a very famous person, and he was awarded the Sitara Imtiaz for his services in IT industry. And in the area of operation, they're also working in the residential and commercial area, and the net metering and solar financing are providing on demand. At number four, we are having Pantra Energy Limited. Pantra Energy Limited founded. They were founded. They also founded in 2013, and they just providing services in commercial as well as in agricultural sector and residential sector also. Um, the number at last we are having Pakistan Solar Service. Pakistan is a tier two companies. It's a thing like that. The main thing that they are just they also the main purpose for this company is they are also providing the wind energy solution. They are providing the wind solution in as well as they firstly they are providing the solar service, and secondly they're providing the wind energy solution. And this is their additional work that they are giving to the customers. If I talk about the unique selling point, so of our company, that is unique selling, is that as it started in competitor analysis, we've stated in a competitor analysis there is a few strong competitors already in the market. So the question rather is that what we can offer different to customers, what we it's a thing that what unique thing that we are going to do. First thing that we are doing is sourcing. As we know that our competitors, they're also providing the good service, but and the sourcing that from where they are just getting the raw material like that. If we talk about our sourcing, the solar system has more or less the same components. We know that, as mentioned in upper section, it's in the detailing part, it's written details that we can say. I just want to added one thing, that is the material and components will be imported or selected from those vendor suppliers which will provide us minimum lead time. That we are going to work on the minimum lead time, it's our key factor is that. And if I talk about in-house design team, many of our competitors out of the design phase, the firstly thing that we are going to design in our own house, that we are not going to um, purchase from the other we are not going to outsource this thing, that we are just designing this each and everything by our own. We can design in our own company. The thing is that, and last we're having the less installation is that timing, that because many companies they are working on any project, they take a lot of projects, but because of a lot of projects they are not able to maintain their time duration. They give a lot of time uh, when they're working, but because the main reason they have taken a lot of projects, and uh, it's a lot of time that they have to spend on one project, and after completion of the one project, then they have to move to the another project, and it's a lot of time consuming for that. But in our business plan, it is very that we have focused that we have to complete one project on very less time, because we are going to provide a lot of professional service team we're going to hire, and with the help of those team, we just going to provide a quick service to each and everyone. Now moving toward the project summary and analysis. project financing, mainly project financing. Following tables, it's a simple thing that we're going to take the loan, and the tenure of the loan is going to be 5 years, and markup about 14%, and the bank loan will be 50%, and the total equity will be of 8,92,000. And project cost, the main important thing is the project cost, the capital that it's going to spend mainly on furniture, other equipments, machinery, and equipments. Pre-operating cost, it's total we can say that 5, almost 6 lakh. Okay, at at, at last we're just going to add a total project cost that's going to be 17 lakh 84,930. Its main thing is that the total project cost that we are going to bear, or that we are going to use for this current business plan, and what the cost that we are going to require for this current is almost 17 lakh, almost 17 to 18 lakh it's required for our project. And this is all the thing. Now income statement, if I talk about the income statement, each and everything is written in the income statement.